dare you? How dare you too?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Can I call you?
How dare you? How dare you too? Are you okay? You slapped me. Yes, you slapped me first. You slapped me first. Wait. You destroy my goods. And you slap me. You're supposed to tell me sorry. Sorry for what? Did you wait for me to tell you sorry? You slapped me first. Oh, you want to fight me? You want to fight me, right? I cannot be fighting with a poor and wretched thing like you. Excuse me. Me! Hey! Me! Sit here.
Less thing.
You know, you this woman.
Are you okay?
You want to fight me?
Are you okay? You removed my wrist!
Madam, I'm sorry. Sorry, ma. Sorry. So it's now that you know how to apologize. Why you not apologize since? Oh my body. Oh. Stupid woman. Hey, you come and pay my money. Pay my money. Hey, Chineke. Sorry. You want thief join me? What if I blow you? Sorry. You don't even get money, sef. All the whole month they make you not get money. Stupid woman. Sorry. Stupid nonsense. Sorry. You're not supposed to. I drop my pikin for you. This woman no carry me go my pikin. I leave my pikin for you. I leave my pikin for you. My pikin, I leave. Who see my pikin? I beg me bring my pikin for me. What did I want to tell you, Papa? My pikin. When I hear that carry another woman, I carry my pikin. Another woman, I carry my pikin.
No, don't worry. That's your mommy's back.
Chicken.
Come on, will you get your hands off my baby? Where are you coming from?
I was looking for her.
For who?
For chickens. I'm looking for her.
So you left this house this morning to go and make sales? You ended up fighting again. And not even that you fought. You left my child on the road to fight comfortably. Abi?
So this devil hand work.
You know you have no shame. You are a very shameless woman. How many times have I warned you about avoiding problems? How many times have I told you to avoid problems even when they are coming to you? Make sure you avoid them. How many times?
See, I avoid this problem. It was the you know, okay, it's not what ask me. My money.
Shut up your mouth! Shut up your dirty mouth! So imagine that it was somebody I don't know. That somebody that doesn't know me at all that got hold of this baby. What would have happened? You will go and come back and tell me you were fighting. Abi? Then somebody took my child away. Do you know what it takes to bring a child up to this extent?
I know.
You know. I don't think you know. Listen to me and listen very carefully. It is over between me and you.
No.
Okay, you want to fight me too?
No,
I know you are a fighter. Do you want to fight me?
I can't fight you.
Stand up.
I can't fight you. Please.
I said it is over between me and you. Look at this baby very well, because this is the last time you'll be seeing this baby.
I'm my husband.
This is your bag. Everything that belongs to you inside my house is short. This is yours too. Stand up and leave this place. I don't want to see you again. Go and fight. In short, you can go and register for WWE so that you can fight well and make money. You are a shameless woman. How can a mother of a child drop your own baby on the street to go and fight? What if they kill you? Get out! Fool! Let me not see you in my house again. If I see you anywhere close to my house, you see what I'll do.
It's been I carried the baby for 9 months, oh please. I carried the baby for 9 months. I carried the baby for 9 months. Mama,
Sorry, my love.
I can't leave my baby like that, no. I can't leave my baby like that, no. Should I go back to my father's house or I should go back to my husband's house? No.
Madam, you want to enter me? Go back now. Let me pass, please.
Chai!
My daughter, please.
As you can see, I was here before you.
Madam, please, can I pass?
Can you pass?
Yes.
Please, I have to pass before you.
Why?
Why?
Why? Madam, pass, make I pass, I beg you.
Where do you want? You expect me to fly? I should fly.
Hey, this woman, they find trouble.
Please, my dear, go back.
Madam, go back, make I pass. I'm not
an elderly woman. Please, go back.
Madam, I get your mate for house, he pass. Go back, make I pass.
My friend said you should go back.
Eh?
Go back. What do you mean?
Madam, you want to praise? Madam, you go back here. Madam, go back. Madam, go back. Go back.
Are you okay?
Okay, what?
I should go back.
Madam, go back.
I should go back. My friend get away from the road. Let me back. What's your problem? Don't you have manners? Don't you have manners at home?
I don't have manners.
Yes.
Me, I don't have manners.
You have to go.
Jesus!
You mean?
Okay.
We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. We know the woman.
I don't have manners.
You want to show me your
Yes.
Hey!
Yes, I will show you.
I will naked you here. You will naked me. I will naked you. Anyhow you want to have you. Anyhow. Hey! I will do it.
I will
you
kill
want
you.
to send you to come and
Yes.
kill me?
You will kill you.
You will kill me.
Yes.
Then I will kill you. Let me get upset. You know what I will do to you?
Hey! You want to fight?
You are not going to me. You will.
You want to fight? You want to fight?
You are not going. What about we die? You are not going. You are not going. Stupid girl.
Hello, baby. How are you doing?
Come here. Come and fight me.
Good. And who? Okay, where are you right now? Okay, I'll be right there.
Yes, come now. Come and hold me.
Come back. Today. Come back. We will fight. You are not going, no? I said you are not. Come back here. You are not going. You can join me with you. You can my money. I am going to be mad at you. You want to fight anyhow you want. I will give it to you. Yes, sir. You don't have my time.
Mommy.
What happened? Baby, who is this, my son?
Mommy, what?
Look at this elephant.
What have you done to my
She
mom?
really.
What have you done to my mom?
You know her. You will hear today. Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes. My son.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I did not know.
Please.
Sorry.
I need to come close.
Please.
Mommy.
Anna, look at my body. Even my head, I don't know where she is.
Mommy, come.
Hey, do you know her? Explain to me. I don't understand what is going on. Who is she?
She's the Monica.
Which Monica?
Monica, we are expecting in the house.
Which Monica?
My fiancée, the one I told you about.
That you wanted to marry?
Yes.
The one that I wanted to go to the market to prepare soup for. Did this to me.
Mommy, sorry.
I said, sorry.
Mommy,
He said you are sorry.
Mommy, go.
Ah!
Mommy, come.
Nah, but why did you? This one is the elephant.
Mama, please,
Eh?
I'm sorry. Mama,
What's his sorry?
Get up,
Please, have mercy on her. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Monica, I don't want to see you when you're close to my gate, okay?
please, I'm sorry. Please.
My lovely
I'm
mother.
sorry. I didn't know.
Eh?
Mama, please.
Eh?
Mama.
You have the guts to lay your filthy hands on my mother.
Mama, please, I'm
Eh?
sorry, Ma. I'm sorry.
Oh,
It wasn't
please,
intentional.
have mercy. Oh, Nam.
Mommy, let's go.
Nam, wait. We cannot leave her like this.
Mommy, let's go. Leave this idiot.
Nam, wait. I'm a mother.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Mommy, I don't know what you are doing. Leave this.
Please, we cannot leave her. She can change. She can still be a good girl. Oh, Nam.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Why did you behave like
Mama.
I'm sorry.
Mama, this woman can never change.
She will.
Let's go.
She will. She will. Let's take her home. Oh?
No, Mommy. Come. Let's go.
Wait. Ah. But why did you behave like this?
Sorry, Ma.
You are sorry.
I'm sorry.
You are truly sorry.
Yes, it will never happen again.
Why will you not control your temper?
I'm sorry, Ma. I'm usually not like this.
I don't expect such from a girl like you. Eh? Don't you know that you will settle down one day with a husband?
I'm sorry, Ma.
Please don't behave like this next time.
Mommy,
I'm coming. You see, now, I was actually going to the market to go and buy things and cook for you. Oh, now you are here.
Oh, Mama.
I'm ready.
Alright, Monica is on her way.
Oh, already? And then let me rush.
Okay, no problem.
Let me go, you know.
Mama.
You trust me now. We do. You know that particular one you like. I'm coming now.
That's right.
Oh?
Alright, that's it.
Okay, my dear.
Be careful.
Oh, my son.
Can't wait for her to come. Mama is so excited.
Me and my son, we've been waiting for your coming. Why? Eh? I hope it will not happen next time.
Mommy, I don't like
I'm
this.
coming. Let's go and carry. Follow me.
Hey, where do you think you are going to? Mommy, no!
You know that I know better than you.
Mommy, come and enter this car. She's not coming with us.
She will come with us.
I said no!
She's a nice person.
God.
I'm a mother. Not looking at her. She's sorry for the whole thing she did. Please,
You have the mind to touch my mom.
Please.
My
please.
mom!
I'm the one she touched. But I can see she's so remorseful.
Mommy, enter this car now.
Biano
Mommy,
mama.
enter this car now.
Yeah, we can't leave her.
I will kill her.
This girl will be my
I will kill her.
Nah. Oh, don't go. My son. Young one. Come. Oh, please. Your mother is calling. We can't leave her. She will be a good housewife. She's going to make a good housewife. I can see it. See her size now. She doesn't have mind. She's very... This is where you sit. Oh?
Mommy! Mommy!
Namo.
Mommy, I don't like this.
Oh, dogun one. Come. Oh? Come, let me talk to you. Your mother is calling you now. Biano. Oh? Do to one. Come. Oh? Come. Nemo. Sorry. Oh? My son. Please. You just have to come down. Oh? She will, look at her baby. She will still make a good housewife. I love her. Oh? I love her. In fact, please, my son, come down. Bring your, relax. Oh, Nam.
Baby, please, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I promise. I won't even do this with any other person. Baby, please.
Nam. No, don't worry. He's my son, I know him. Oh, he will forgive you. He's going to forgive you.
Baby, please.
Nam. Biko. Oh, Butu. Odogu. You see?
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh, Namo. Child.
Mama, thank you.
I'm just going to not happen again.
It won't happen again.
Oh, one. Using one more. Odogun one.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Don't worry. It is the handwork of the devil. Oh, one is the handwork of the devil.
Okay.
She's going to be a good housewife. Oh,
sorry.
Oh. Okay, hello.